NASA scientists are preparing for a giant asteroid hurtling towards Earth. The upcoming asteroid is Asteroid 2020 WG, whose orbit will intersect with that of the Earth. NASA JPL has classified 2020 WG as a potentially hazardous asteroid due to its predicted close approach to Earth. 2020 WG orbits the Sun every 1,450 days, about 3.97 years, coming within 1.0 astronomical units of the Sun and moving away from it up to 4.0 astronomical units. Based on its brightness and the way it reflects light, 2020 WG is likely to be 120 to 268 meters in diameter, making it a small to medium-sized asteroid roughly the size of a basketball court. 2020 WG's orbit was determined by observations going back to November 16, 2020. The last official observation was on January 4, 2021. The IU Minor Planet Center has recorded 182 observations that were used to determine its orbit. So what happens in the worst-case scenario if an asteroid hits Earth? When an asteroid hits Earth, the dust and smoke that rises into the atmosphere will block sunlight from reaching Earth, causing a drop in temperature. This event could lead to the death of many living creatures. If an asteroid the size of an apartment hits Earth, it could destroy a small city. If an asteroid the size of a 20-story building hits Earth, the impact could devastate a small country. Will Asteroid 2020 WG hit Earth? NASA has found more than 1 million space rocks so far, 95% of which are larger than 800 meters and could come dangerously close to Earth. The key point here is that planetary scientists define a close approach as an asteroid that comes within 30 million miles of Earth's orbit. The larger the asteroid, the easier it is for planetary protection experts to find it. That means that an asteroid's orbit around the Sun has usually been well known and understood for years, or even decades. Asteroids are small, rocky objects that orbit the Sun. These celestial bodies are remnants of the early formation of the solar system and are composed mainly of minerals, metals, and other elements. This space research agency tracks more than 30,000 potentially hazardous asteroids, and even the slightest change in their orbits could be dangerous for Earth. NASA's Jet Propulsion Laboratory is using an advanced tracking system to observe the orbit of 2020 WG. 2020 WG's orbit is 0.01 astronomical units away from the Earth's orbit at its closest point. This means that there will always be a large distance between this asteroid and Earth. According to their calculations, the asteroid will make its closest approach to Earth on the specified date, but it should pass by Earth safely and without incident. Closest approach will likely be far outside the lunar orbit, posing no risk of impact. According to the latest available information, an asteroid impact with Earth is not expected in 2024.